Patrick and Chuck at Pals. Chuck, how many calls a day do you get for people that cannot afford the repairs on their vehicles?
Anywhere from 3 to 10 calls a day. Typically, they've seen our ad on Facebook or on YouTube. They're looking for a way to find money because the economy right now is in such poor condition. And so Snap is a product, and so is Synchrony a product that can help them get the necessary repairs done so they can continue to drive their car, take care of their family, and go to work. Now, the difference between the two is Synchrony gives 6 months interest-free, and it is a regular credit card through Synchrony Bank. Snap, however, on the other hand, they're for people who may have, problems with credit. So all they want is a checking account and an income source. You can go right to my website, Pals Ocala Auto, and fill out either one of these and get an instant approval.
And that really helps. If you're a customer and your alternator fails, it's a lot of money. A lot of times you don't have the money in your checking account, but with Synchrony and Snap, you can get the repairs done and pay for it over time. If you've got a car problem, bring it to Pals. We've got ways to help you get it repaired.
We'll help you with your financing soon. See you at Pals.